Clean a stovetop with shaving cream. Step 1. Remove the grates and set aside. Step 2. Use a damp paper towel to remove any large food particles from the stovetop. Step 3. Spray shaving cream on top of stovetop and spread it across the surface. Step 4. Use a non-abrasive sponge to scrub the stovetop to remove food particles. Step 5. For difficult to clean places, add more shaving cream and scrub again. Step 6. Wipe the stovetop with a clean, damp cloth to remove shaving cream residue and any leftover food particles. Step 7. When finished, dry stovetop with a clean cloth. That's how you do it.